Which cell phone mount for Uber is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Boccolino Cup Phone Mount. First up is the Boccolino Cup Phone Mount, priced at $13.96. This caught my attention with its unique cup holder design and adjustable neck. If you want a simple hands-free solution for your rides, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable base fits cup holders ranging from 2.5 to 4.1, which means it can work in almost any car. That's huge for Uber drivers who hop from vehicle to vehicle. The 11-inch long neck is flexible, allowing you to position your phone exactly how you want it. Plus, it's designed to handle high temperatures, so you don't have to worry about it melting in the summer heat. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 2,400 reviews, people are clearly satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complain that the neck can feel a bit wobbly if fully extended. Here's the thing though, if you position it correctly, it stays stable enough for easy navigation and calls. This is perfect for you if you prefer not having adhesive mounts on your dashboard. Skip this if you need a mount that attaches to your windshield. Overall, it's a great value for its price and functionality. Now, if the adjustable height of the Boccolino didn't impress you, the next product takes a completely different approach with a more rigid design. Product number 2, Magic John Car Phone Holder. Next up is the Magic John Car Phone Holder, retailing at $35.99. This one stood out to me because of its military-grade sturdiness. If you're looking for something that won't budge even on the bumpiest roads, this is worth a serious look. The powerful suction cup is designed to stay put on smooth surfaces, ensuring your phone remains stable during your rides. The 360-degree rotation allows for both portrait and landscape viewing, making it easy to access navigation apps. What's impressive is that it's compatible with almost every smartphone model, even those with thicker cases. With over 1,500 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users trust its durability. Now, some users have mentioned that it doesn't stick well on textured surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in most standard vehicles, this won't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you value a strong suction and easy accessibility. Skip this one if you want something that can attach to a textured dashboard. It's a reliable investment for any Uber driver. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a longer reach. Product number 3, 1.0 Solid Car Truck Phone Mount. Third on our list is the 1.0 Solid Car Truck Phone Mount, priced at $19.99. The first thing that drew me in was the impressive 14-inch gooseneck. If you're looking for a mount that brings your phone right into your line of sight, this is worth a serious look. This mount features a sturdy aluminum pipe that can bend and adjust to your preferred viewing angle. The one-hand operation and quick-release button make it super user-friendly, which is ideal when you're busy driving. It's compatible with all smartphones, and its design means you won't have to struggle to see your GPS. With a 4.5-star rating from over 10,800 reviews, drivers are happy with its stability and ease of use. Now, some users have noted that the adhesive stabilizer needs time to set properly. Here's the thing though, once it's secured, you're golden and it won't budge. This is perfect for you if you prefer a more flexible mount that can adapt to different vehicles. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with setting the adhesive stabilizer. For its price and functionality, it's a solid choice. Moving on, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly that still gets the job done, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Kifitan Car Phone Holder. The fourth product is the Kifitan Car Phone Holder, retailing for just $9.99. What grabbed my attention here was its triple mounting options. If you're after versatility at a low price, this is worth a serious look. This mount can be attached to your windshield, dashboard, or air vent, which is fantastic for Uber drivers who may switch vehicles often. The 360-degree ball joint lets you adjust your phone to any angle without obstructing your view. With over 15,800 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, this phone holder is a favorite for those needing flexibility without breaking the bank. Some users mention that it might not be as sturdy as pricier options. Here's the thing though, for the price, it offers great value, especially if you need something simple and effective. This is perfect for you if you want a highly affordable mount that fits various installation styles. Skip this if you need something heavy-duty. It's a great bargain for any rideshare driver. Now, if you're after something that promises exceptional stability and strength, the final product is worth considering. Product number 5, ACMEZING 3-in-1 car phone holder. Finally, we have the ACMEZING 3-in-1 car phone holder, priced at $11.97. I was impressed by its strong suction and stability features. If you are looking for a mount that holds firm during sharp turns, this is worth a serious look. This mount is compatible with nearly all smartphones and offers effortless installation, which is perfect for those who are always on the move. With a 4.2-star rating from 17,000+ reviews, users appreciate its reliability. Some folks noted that it can be a bit tricky to detach. Here's the thing though, once you're familiar with it, the stability it provides is well worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable mount that stays put. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's super easy to remove quickly. For the price, it's an excellent investment for your driving experience. So to wrap it up, we covered some great options today. The adjustable Boccolino for versatility, the sturdy Magic John for reliability, the flexible 1.0 for reach, the affordable Kifatan for budget-friendly needs, and the stable ACMEZING for those wanting strength. Each has its own strengths, so think about what matters most to you before making a choice.